In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new tasks in Notion using WhatsApp 5 minutes. By the end, you'll be able to send a WhatsApp message and watch it appear as a task in your Notion workspace automatically using Zapier as the bridge. You'll need an active Zapier account, access to a WhatsApp business number, and a Notion workspace with a tasks database ready to receive new items. Start by signing in to Zapier. From the dashboard, create a new automation by choosing to make a zap. A zap has two parts: a trigger, which listens for something to happen, and an action, which performs a task based on that trigger. Set your trigger to WhatsApp. When prompted to choose an event, pick the option that fires whenever a new message is received by your WhatsApp business number. This tells Zapier exactly when to wake up and collect data. Connect your WhatsApp business account and follow the on-screen authorization. Make sure you select the correct business number if you manage more than one, and confirm you have permission to access it. Run a quick trigger test. The easiest way is to send a fresh message to your WhatsApp business number, then let Zapier pull that sample in. You should see fields like the message body, the sender, and the timestamp. If the sample is empty, resend a message and test again to ensure Zapier has real data to work with. Move on to the action step. Choose Notion as the action app. For the event, select the option that creates a new database item or page, then pick your tasks database from the list. Connect your Notion account, authorize access, and choose the correct workspace if you have multiple. Now configure the mapping. Map the WhatsApp message text to the primary property your database uses for the task title. If you have a description or notes field in Notion, map the full message there as well. You can set defaults for other properties like status or priority, so every new task starts in the right state. If your database has required fields, make sure each one gets a value either from the message or a default you set here. Test the action to create a sample task, switch to Notion, and confirm it landed in the right database with the fields populated as expected. If something looks off, adjust the field mapping and retest until it's perfect. When you're satisfied, publish the zap to activate it. From now on, any new WhatsApp message that matches your trigger will create a task in Notion automatically. That's it: quick, reliable, and ready to scale your task capture.